Back here with a look at Kaspa. The other night when we did a video, we talked about a possible one more flush. Did we not? We said if it didn't get up through this box, all right, that we could end up having one more flush to the downside. All right, I believe pull down to at that time. Must have been down here, right? Yeah, that would have put it that 618 to that 702, right up in that range. All right, it's what we were looking for. Made a push up here, about 9.4, 9.47. Okay, just right underneath our 618 there. Got rejected and rolled over. Okay, the U.S. government made a pretty big announcement Sunday night that they were going to be investing in XRP, ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. Okay, so pretty big announcement by the U.S. To invest in crypto. Said they wanted to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. Pretty interesting, right? The market's fired up there. Bitcoin, I think, was up 10% Sunday night, and sure enough, yesterday they pulled right back down. All right, now we are having a rebound, a little bit of a rebound starting here. Everything was red about an hour and a half ago. All right, so you can see stuff is starting to make a rebound here. Okay, starting to look pretty decent actually. Last hour, you can see here. There's Kaspa on this chart. Let's see here. Let's look at it real quick. Jimmy told me how to do this, but I just cannot remember. Jimmy's a very good friend of the channel. Jimmy is a whale, a Kaspa whale, and also a very good friend of mine. All right. Mark wrote here, XRP is going to the moon. Yeah, how about it? I just put the XRP is wedging up. Looks like it's about to break out of a wedge. I put that over into Discord just now. If you want to leverage trade with this, guys, sign up for level 3 membership. It's only 15 measly dollars. All right, 15 bucks. Get you 10 hours worth of videos to watch to teach you how to start charting, and get you a link to the Discord. We have 180 members over there, and we leverage trade. Okay, I love it. We have an altcoin season coming up, and this run is far from over. All right, I know you're beat down. I know it sucks. I know you don't even want to look at your wallet, but you know what? It's going to turn around. I'm telling you, okay? Do I know when? No, I don't have a crystal ball. Every time Bitcoin dominance went way up like this, we have always had an alt season, okay? This is no different. It's no different whatsoever. All right, no matter if Bitcoin has done its final run or if it's still going to go up to 125, when it goes into its ABC correction is when these things really take off. Okay, so it's coming. All right, just hang in there. I know it's a beat down. I hope you haven't. I'm not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not selling. I will wait it out. I did this in 2021. And God, I wish I was better charting back then. Man, I sold some stuff, especially Gala Games. Wow, of course, that was a brand new token. Who would have known? I didn't know. You couldn't have charted it, really. But I ended up getting 250,000 Gala Games for $37. It went up to 84 cents, right? Which, pretty crazy. $37 turned into over a $200,000 investment. I didn't sell anywhere near the top. But who would have thought, right? Off of the less than 220s, it turned into 200 grand. It's crazy. That's why I love crypto. So I love it. But anyway, go sign up for that level 3 membership. There's also a link in the description of the video for Weex. That's the site we use for leverage trading. Site I use. I use this in Bit2Next, but I've been using Weex a lot more. I'm going to give away $50 in crypto for the next 4 weeks. Once a week for the next 4 weeks. All right, on Sundays. I'm going to do videos Sunday evening or Monday. Announce the winner. I get a when you come over here. It's totally free, doesn't cost you anything. I get a UID number that you signed up. We're gonna pick one of them UID numbers right on the video, and you have a chance to win 50 bucks in crypto. You don't have to do anything but go over here and sign up. All right. If you do go over there and sign up, you can use up to 300x leverage. If you do the KYC, you don't have to. If you do it and you deposit 200 bucks into your futures account, you get a $100 bonus after 24 hours of keeping that 200 in your futures account. And they have a bunch of sign-up bonuses. If you hold 1,000 Weex tokens, which costs you 20 bucks, Weex might be one of those things you might want to look into. All right, only 6 billion tokens, right? If you know anything about crypto, 6 billion is not a lot. That's not a lot of tokens, right? XRP has 100 billion. ADA has, what is ADA? 60 or 70 billion, I can't remember. So 6 billion is not a lot. And it's at 2 cents right now, okay? If you hold 1,000 in your wallet, that's 20 bucks. You're open to get free airdrops. I think it's once a month of new cryptos, all kinds of stuff, extra off your trading fees, all kind. It's crazy. Daily spin to win out there. They have 5 million plus users now, right? They're doing great, and might be one of those ones you want to get into. I mean, look what KuCoin. KuCoin went to 30 some dollars. Crypto.com. These smaller guys like this that spend money to make money. Trading competitions. That's what us traders want. We want stuff like this, right? But go over and check it out. It's free to sign up. Like I said, I get a UID number, and it enters you for a chance to win 50 bucks in crypto. What the heck? They have 1,000 Bitcoin protection fund. That's a lot of money. Top level liquidity. Michael Owen, a global brand ambassador. They have copy trading over there. You can pick out of all these traders, which is pretty cool. When you go and look at it, you can look at all their stats and everything and copy their trades. They have apps to download on your phones. You can trade on your phone. I do a lot of that. 5 million users now, 1,000 plus crypto trading pairs. Look at the average trading volume, 28.9 billion. All right, 1,000 Bitcoin protection fund. Yeah, they're starting to get big, right? So Weex, that token, I bought some. I mean, you never know with crypto, right? I mean, these exchanges, they're the ones, especially if this thing really takes off and gains traction, that's an easy 50x to $1. 6 billion tokens. This thing should realistically go to 20, 30, 40 bucks in a normal bull run. That's normal. I've got ADA for 2 cents, right? They went over $3 last bull run. So they definitely could be a potential winner there for you, and even just holding it, like I said, you get the free airdrop. So there's a link in the description of the video. I'd appreciate it if you use that link to go over there, and that'll enter you for a $50 sign up. And if you sign up for that level 3 membership, please go over here and sign up for Weex and use them. It's a great site to use, number one. Number two, we use it a lot for the price targets and stuff over there. We got a altcoin season coming up, so I am looking forward to making a pile of money leverage trading. Now, as far as Bitcoin goes, we do have a fair value gap down here to 73. Okay, so don't be shocked if it would pull one of those moves. But you do have a resistance on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. One on the bottom here. 2. We have 2. You'd like to get 3. The more you got, the more more consistent, I guess, the breakout's going to be if it breaks out from this, right? So we have 2 touches on the bottom, starting to form a trend line on the bottom. We have a valid one on top, starting to wedge up here, Bitcoin. Okay, so this will tell a big story here. All right, you get a break out the top, then I would think it's probably heading to 125, 130. You get a break through the bottom here, and it could be ABC in here. Of course, it hasn't even reached up to them, B levels yet. If you go from the top here, let's see here, pull this down. Any type of ABC structure, a B leg would have to come up here to 97, to your 618. For any ABC structure to come in here, okay, ABC. But if it pushes up through here, so if it gets up through, up through this area, your 618, 702, up through here, which is up through 97, 99,000, the next target up there, like I said, 127. Okay, I'd like to see it have one more push at least, than ABC, and to go into our alt season, right? That Bitcoin dominance, it is living on the edge, literally. It's at 61.5%. You can see it riding, it's right on that trend line still, right on there, right? The other day came so close to breaking it. It was right here. I thought it was going to roll over here, but it is so very, very close, guys. That we're going to finish this up here, and this thing should be heading down. You got 1, 2. Here's your third up here, third wave, fourth wave pullback. This should be the final wave of this structure here. 5 waves to the 5 Elliott waves to the upside. Then this thing should start rolling over. Okay, it should break this structure and start plummeting. That's when our altcoins are just going to explode, right? Now we had Kaspa. We talked about this the other night. It looks like it's going to give that one more push, right? A target for this. Here we go from your swing low over here back to the top up here. Right around 6 cents. You'd be looking for a bottom here. Could it have bottomed already? Yeah, absolutely could have. The daily RSI just about reset, right on the bottom here. Okay, so it is getting ready to make a run back towards the top. And what's nice is we do have a resistance line starting on here. So as soon as we get a break of that, we'll know this bottom's in. Okay, let's make this a little bit brighter. All right, this yellow resistance line breaks, your bottom's in. Okay, the daily is starting to roll up. You got your 12 hours heading to the upside. 8 hour looks great. 4 hour. 4 hours rolling over a little bit. It might end up having that final push down. You're going to have this would be the fifth wave down here, and inside of that fifth wave, you're in each of these waves you're going to have structures, right? You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's make that yellow so it's a little bit easier to see. But you're going to have waves inside of waves. That's how these. It's crazy, man. It really is. Boy, what I never knew I would know this much about charting, right? And I did get a red sell signal here. You see this red thing, that these tend to be fairly accurate. This green one here, printed, this is on a 4 hour. You have to push up here. But this sell signal here, it's had 49 trades, 40 wins. So it's right, what is that, 84% of the time. I thought I've been trying this thing to see how it, see how it is out on a daily. What's it had? 20 wins, 13 wins and 7 losses. Hasn't given any type of buy signal. I'd like to see a buy signal kick in here. That'd be awesome. But weekly RSI, let's take a look here. Weekly is still rolling over just a bit, okay? And then your monthly. Look at that, almost there. Almost reset, okay? So if you think this is dead, and I think you made a mistake on that one. I really do. I totally believe Kaspa, has some more gas in the tank here. And this could be, that could have been a bottom right there. If you go and you don't use a use the wick on this thing. Yeah, look, there you would have hit it perfectly right at that 6.8. Okay, you can see there it's very, very possible it's already bottomed. If not, it's extremely close. Okay, for sure. The only reason I would think it maybe has more, you come in on that hourly. All right, and you can see this other wave, this wave here, right? Take your fib, bottom to the top. It'll put you at about 6.3. Okay, so we're down there. We are very, very, very close to any type of bottom here. Okay, and like I said, a break of this yellow, the yellow line here is going to, that is definitely going to tell the story. You get a break of that, the bottom's in. Okay, and as tight as this is, that's the nice thing. It doesn't have to come up and bounce around a lot for you to know that this trend line is riding right close to price level. As soon as it comes back here and breaks that, I will be going long on Kaspa. You can bet on that. I know a lot of people over there in Discord trade Kaspa a lot. A lot of Kaspa holders over there also. All right, so we'll be watching this tightly. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Come sign up for that level 3 membership. Please come join us. You won't regret it, man. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. And go sign up for Weex. Have a great day, everybody. Hopefully next time I'm back, we've broken out of this and we're heading back to the upside. Have a great day, everyone.